What if you can make $1 for every single click? What if you can learn the secret to turn that $1 per click into 40 in just one single click? You can literally make 40 times more money compared to other people by simply using a mobile phone or a computer. You don't need any difficult technical skills or experience. You don't need to create any videos or websites. You don't need any social media followers too. In fact, you don't even need any money to start with this because this unique strategy is 100% free and it is available worldwide. In this video, I'll show you everything step by step, including on how to sign up for a free account, a lot of different real examples on how to do this, and if you stay with me until the end of this video, I'll click. Every single click you can earn. Now, if you watch this video all the way until the end, I'll show you how to turn this into $40, which means you can earn more money compared to other people. So make sure you don't miss out on this special secret. Step number 1, I want you to first go onto this website, which is moreniche.com. I'll leave the link right here on the screen. Basically, before you go onto this website, you have to watch this video because you will not know the secret on how to do this. So first, I want you to go ahead and click on this button right on top. You can see here brands. I want you to click on that, and from there, that's going to bring you to this page. You can see here when you scroll down below, you can look for all different companies, for example, Black Wolf, Brutal Force Diet, Fangold, and right here, even Zotrim, which is a very famous company. Now that means you can literally go on and promote different companies for different opportunities and you can earn a lot of commission online. I want you to check this out. Zotrim Affiliate Program. You can earn up to $40 per sale and that's what I promised you. I'll show you how to earn 40 per click, and for a lot of people, they're only able to earn $1 per click. So once again, in order to get to that page, all you have to do is to click on this link. You can see here Zotrim, and from there that's going to bring you to the Zotrim Affiliate Program, where you can earn 40% per sale, and in this video, I just want to show you one example using the Zotrim. So on this website, moreniche.com, you can find many different brands, for example. I want to show you so many different companies so you can promote them and earn commissions online. And right on this video, I'll show you an example using Zotrim, and you can repeat this strategy and apply that to any other company. So real quick, let me explain exactly how it works for this particular Flip program. You can join it for free and you can promote different products offered by Zotrim. You can see here on the Zotrim official website, they're giving a lot of different products. They're offering different solutions to help people to lose weight. You can see here for the different products and different packages that people can purchase and buy on this website. You can become the affiliate and promote all of these products, make sales, and make commissions again and again. One of the reasons why I love to promote Zotrim is because they offer fast and free shipping worldwide. That means you're going to be getting a lot of sales and customers and conversion. You're going to have customers from different countries in the world, and most of them are likely to purchase these products because they offer very fast and free shipping in all countries. They're offering really high commission too. The average order value is about $150 and they have 22.7 conversions. Now, this might sound a little bit confusing to you, but don't worry about all these numbers. The only thing you're going to know is that this product is actually selling like hot cake. A lot of people buy them and they're selling a lot of products, and you could be the one to make commission for every single click. So moving on, let me show you the payment methods and the schedule. Basically, they do a bi-weekly payout, as you can see here, 1st and the 15th of every month. Every single month, 2 times a month, they're going to pay you the money, and the payment method is actually bank transfer, Skrill, and wire transfer. Now, if you want other payment options, for example, Paytm, PayPal, and so on, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know, and I'll try my best to help you to request for that. So basically, a lot of people, different affiliates from different countries in the world, they're making really good money to promote Zotrim. You can see here up to $66,500 per year by simply promoting one single product. So if you want to start promoting Zotrim and start making commissions, all you gotta do is click on this orange button, join more niches to start promoting Zotrim. From there, that's going to bring you to this page where you can create a brand new account, and once again, the registration is absolutely free. You don't need to invest any money at all. Now for the partner type, you are going to choose an affiliate because we are going to become an affiliate and earn commission. So from there, just type your first name, your last name, your email address, and set up your own password. Read on the policies and the terms and conditions and agree to that. Then you can just click on this button to sign up for free. Now I'll show you exactly how you can earn and how you can make up to $40 per sale again and again on Zotrim. Now once you've signed up and you've gotten your affiliate link where you can earn commission, you can now move on to step 2. I want you to go to this website, which is findaforum.net. Once you come over to this website, I want you to go and click on this button on top, which is categories, and from there, that's going to bring you to this page where you can find different forum categories in different niche. For example, there's art and literature, health, shopping, and e-commerce, music, and so on. In this video, if we try to promote Zotrim, which is a weight loss product, we're going to get attention, traffic, and people to click on our link, and for every single click, we can earn money, and if they make a purchase, we can earn $40 per sale on average. So all you have to do is to click on this link, which is dieting and weight loss. Just click on this, and that's going to bring you to this page. As you can see here, we can find different forums, for example, 3 fat chickens on a diet weight, and right here another forum, active low carb forum. You can see a whole list of the entire forums that you can join, and you're going to be getting a lot of people to click on your link. You can see here there are thousands of topics and members on the forums. The strategy here is that you're going to join as many forums as possible. So let's just say if you want to join this forum, all you have to do is just click on this to visit the forum, just click on the button, and from there, that's going to bring you to the official forum. You can see here where people are discussing different topics, they're asking questions, giving answers about weight loss, and this is the biggest opportunity for you. You can simply just join this forum and start posting something on those forums where you can do it without any experience as a complete beginner. Once again, if you keep watching, I'll show you the entire copy and paste template that you can use. You can just copy my entire template, and whenever people click on your Zotrim affiliate link, you can earn money, and when they make a purchase about any products on the website, you're going to be making $40. Right now, I want to show you different forums that you can join. For example, active low carb forums with over 153,000 members. All you have to do is click on this button to visit the forum, and from there, that's going to bring you to this page. And once again, they work very similarly, and they're getting hundreds and thousands of visitors every single month. They're interested in this topic about weight loss. So let's just say if you want to sign up for a free account on this forum, all you have to do is click on this link and see here, register by clicking here, it is free. Once again, they work very similarly on any other forum, and that's the coolest thing I like about findaforum.net, where they can literally find you hundreds and thousands of different forums in many different categories, and you can just simply join all of them. So right now, once you sign up for a free account, the next thing is that you'll need a post. You need a template where you can put something on the forum, and that's why I want to show you this entire copy and paste template that I spent a lot of time to prepare. If you want to get your hands on this natural weight loss solution, and that's where you're going to plug your affiliate link. Now, once you change all your affiliate links into this template, all you have to do is just highlight everything, just click on copy, and just go back to any forum that you want to post them. You can just go on and repeat this strategy and post on different forums by using this copy and paste template. Once again, this is a proven strategy. A lot of people from different countries in the world are making money